Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course my main wig reviews. But today we're gonna get into something a little bit different. I'm gonna do my first unboxing video with Telfar. So stay tuned for the rest of this video and we're gonna be right back. I did not pre-record me opening this package out of the cardboard that it came in. Honestly, it was nothing fancy. It was a tiny box, so when I saw it, I was like, this box is tiny. And this bag is tiny. So I have a lot to say about this. First off, this is what it looks like. It did come in this cute little dust bag. This is actually my first time taking it out of the straps, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so a phone can fit in here. Honestly, I don't even know if an iPhone 11, because this is an 8. So, I don't know, you guys. Maybe some makeup and some keys, and that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. I have some mixed emotions about this bag. This is what the back of it is looking like. It's a cute bag. It does have the double strap. It does have the handles, but I just feel like the handles are pointless if you can't take the straps off. You know what I mean? All right, so let's rewind this back to the beginning. Let's talk about how I even secured this bag, okay? They did a secure your bag program. Basically, it was a pre-order. So I got a notification from Klarna because I saw Telfar, but I wasn't really into Telfar or Brandon Blackwood. And I would say it was at the beginning of this year. Yes, I'm ashamed to say that. I wasn't really familiar with them. It was the beginning of this year. I got a text from Klarna saying secure your bag now with Telfar. And I know that their bags are really hard to get your fingers on. So I kind of just was like, whatever, I'll look and see. And I was like, 150 is not bad. You know, I really wanted to support a black owned brand. So I went and secured my bag, and I got black because black goes with everything. And I wanted to check it out, you know, and just see if this is something that I would like long term, that I would continue to purchase. I reached out to my friend, my sis, my good sis, Eris. If you don't know, we have a podcast. It's called A Black Woman's Perspective Podcast. Make sure you guys check that out. The link is in the description box below. But I reached out to her and she's like, oh my God, thank you so much. You know, I didn't know, whatever. So she got her bag. She got hers in the color orange. Hers is actually really cute. And she got the same size. And they have 3 different sizes on the website. So this one is 150. And I feel like this bag is schmiddle. Small and little. Like, I think for 150, I want to say I feel almost robbed because I don't know. I just feel like it should be about like 2 inches bigger all around. 2 inches this way, maybe 2 inches on the side and 2 inches on the top. Like, for 150, I think this is a lot, especially because it's vegan leather. I'm a Coach girl. I used to work at Coach, you know, way back then in high school, and I know leathers, and I really love Coach because they have good quality leathers. And I feel like for this to be vegan leather, this is very overpriced. I did end up getting a Brandon Blackwood bag as well, and that bag was 150, and I feel like I got my money's worth with that bag. It's a little heavy, the hardware is nice, the construction is nice, like the overall thought of it is just a really nice bag. So, you know, I wanted to support, I supported, and I don't know, I just feel like this is overpriced. You can't take the straps off, which suck. These handles are like kind of stuck here, which sucks. It's cute, but I think for that price it's just not worth it. Am I glad that I was able to support? Yes, because again, I wanted to support a black owned company. But this tag does move around. Usually tags are like stitched in, but this is moving. And there's no pockets in here. It's, you know, it's pretty simple, and I feel like this bag didn't cost a lot to make, and he's getting his money. Like, he is getting his coin. But yeah, I mean, overall it's cute. I would wear it once in a blue moon. I would not wear this every day. But I honestly, personally just think this price is a little too much. Although Beyonce did support, I did see that, and he said his prices aren't going up because of that. You know, I'm pretty sure his bags are on high demand now that is, you know, celebrities are wearing them and things like that, especially Beyonce. Yes, Beyonce. But he did say that his price is not changing, which I do respect. You know, I respect that he's not, you know, going up and up and up. Because I will say, Brandon, his ESR totes were 80, and now his Kendrick totes are 150. Granted, they are different, but I'm just like, bro. Overall, you guys, I think if you have been trying to get your hands on a Telfar bag and you haven't had any luck, I would say this would be the best way to secure your bag, is the Secure Your Bag program. I purchased in, I think, January or February, maybe March. I cannot remember, because that's how long it's been. And they said that they were going to start sending bags out between July and September. So me and my friend were like, dang, we gotta wait, you know, we might have to wait all the way until September. But they actually were able to distribute some bags earlier ahead of the schedule, and I got mine. And my friend got her bag before me, and she's in Pittsburgh and I'm in Jersey, and the bag came from Jersey. And I purchased my bag before her, hours before her. I was definitely hot, like, how you get your bag before me? But maybe they did it by color, I don't know. But she has an orange one, it's so cute. But yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do have a Telfar bag, please let me know in the comments below how you were able to secure your bag. If you don't have a Telfar bag, let me know if this is something you would be interested in buying or not, and let me know your thoughts below. Thank you for watching, and it is free to support, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button right there, and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And if you want to see how I slayed this unit, click on the link in the description box below. Period. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.